In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently scrub your inbox in Zoho Mail. Keeping a clean and organized email inbox can often be a daunting task, but with Zoho Mail's convenient scrubbing feature, it doesn't have to be. Let's dive into the process to help you take control of your inbox more effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho Mail. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Zoho Mail website. Once you're logged in, head over to your inbox, where you'll find all of your emails nicely listed. This is your starting point for tidying up. Now, let's talk about choosing the emails you want to clean up. It's important to select emails that you no longer need to keep in your main inbox. You can start by selecting a specific email. Look for the checkbox next to each email. When you find the email you'd like to scrub, click on the checkbox to select it. This option allows you to handle one email at a time, but if you want to clean up more quickly, feel free to select multiple emails. With your selected emails, it's time to proceed to the next step. Find the More Actions option in your toolbar, which typically appears once you've selected an email. Clicking on More Actions reveals a variety of options that are intended to help you manage your emails more efficiently. It's a great tool for getting an overview of what you can do with your selected emails. Among these options is the Scrub option. By selecting Scrub, you're essentially preparing to refine your email list by specifying what you'd like to do with these emails. This step is essential if you want to maintain a cleaner, more efficient inbox. Finally, when you click on Scrub, you're given the choice between archiving or deleting the selected emails. Archiving is a great option when you want to remove emails from your inbox without permanently deleting them. This means they're still accessible if you ever need to refer back to them, just not cluttering up your view. On the other hand, choosing to delete emails is useful for getting rid of those messages you're certain you won't need again. Both actions contribute to a cleaner inbox and can significantly improve your email management experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively scrub your Zoho Mail inbox. Whether you're looking to archive emails to declutter without losing information or outright delete unnecessary messages, Zoho Mail makes the process straightforward. Remember, a little regular maintenance can go a long way in keeping your digital communication space organized. Happy scrubbing!